Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about our assignment for this week. One of them is something like a fruit ninja-ish, which allows us to actually go through all our Raycast callbacks. So let me just explain real quick. This is a Raycast where we are just, if it's not a pig, we are making an explosion game object over there, and we are just marking the game object to be deleted. So let me just run this real quick, and let me just make sure that's the correct level. Yep. Alright, let's see. So we're just pressing space and all the game objects are in air. So if you do this, it's not gonna do anything to the pig objects, but if you do any of the bird, it's not gonna do anything to the pigs. So we can slash pigs, but if something is happening with the birds, then we just something like a game over. It's more like a simple concept that I've used over here. Then let's go with our second assignment. That was for our rope. So all I'm doing is I'm creating a rope here and creating all the merge and rope joints, and they are being dropped from a ceiling. So let's just run this. It's gonna be the same script that code that I'm using, but all I'm doing is if it's a different level, then we're just deleting the rope link from there and deleting the body, so it's removing all the joints. So let's see here. So this is our rope. We just delete this and everything will be falling down. If you cut this, the whole rope will fall down. So it's something simple as that. The next thing that we'll be talking about is first of all, I just created a small fix for my actual game, which is allowing me to remove all the bodies from the screen for my actual levels and everything. So we made some great improvements in our game as well. It's not too much, but it is something that will have us less work in upcoming week. So this is most of the work. We implemented all the destruction and damages. So suppose sorry, so let's just reset the board here. Okay, and we've added our sprite changes as well. As you can see, a couple of them which are not horizontal, we'll be able to see they're changing the sprites. Also, if you see, I'm not putting enough damage. I still have to find the exact damages and make sure that they're working accordingly. But let me just show you what the code is about. So if you just go to the blocks, and whenever we see there's a damage coming, I'm just creating a script at there. If the damage is more than the actual health, so we are just adding the damage. More damage, if it's more than the health, then we're just marking it for delete. Depending on our damage that we're getting, we're changing the sprites, and it's pretty much most of the stuff. Even I have created the code for our resetting the level itself. So suppose, okay, so I don't know why my home key, or maybe it's not associated properly, but right now I'm using T, so we're just setting the whole level up again. So we have most of the functionalities done. We have also integrated the audios now, so we just need to start putting in the audios in there. So we have audio manager set up, we have audio library linked already, So that was all for this week. Probably next week we'll have the next levels ready as well. So see you then.